What's up, guys? It's the old computer. Taking the panel off. We're gonna give you a look inside. It's the fan. Some of these parts can be reused, but this is a really old, 2005 or something like that, 2005 computer. And they were quite bulky, as you can see, almost big as my hand. So they were quite bulky computers back then. And basically we're going to take everything out. I'm going to keep this part right here. It's 12 volt supply. Where the heck did my drill go? There it is. And we're just going to start drilling stuff. Drilling for gold. Let's see what's on these boards down in there. See if we can pull one of these out. Oh, there we go. Oh yeah. Win TV. Wow, I didn't know that had TV on there. Huh. The best TV for your PC. Wow, these were expensive back in the day. Wonder if this will fit my computer today. I don't know, but that's some nice gold down there, guys. Oh, nice. So, man, that's pretty cool, though. Maybe I could just use this for TV, guys. What do you think? Let me know what you think I should do. Should I use this for TV, or I don't really watch TV. I don't know if that's Windows TV, or it's hard to see. It's getting dark here. Put some light on the subject here. Okay. The wires here. Hoopage, something like that. The best TV for your PC. You guys can see that model number and everything. I don't know if the camera's off focus or something, but wow, that's pretty cool. It might be a little too big. Here's another one. Might be a little too big for my computer. Not as much gold, but oh, look at that gold shine, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. Nice. Nice. Okay. Oops. I don't even know what kind of board this is. Maybe for, oh yeah, for the monitor? No. Gaming board, I believe. Got Canon up there. Take a quick look inside, guys. We got chips. There's some. Wow, only one chip in this thing. I wonder why the memory was so low. If you don't know, this is the memory stick. Try to pull that up. Oh, got it. Value select. I don't know if these still have value, but probably not. Value select. It's got some nice gold on it. Lots of chips and everything. Ooh, look at that gold back there. Wow, that was a nice. Oh, too bad there's only one though. And of course we have the CPU and stuff down there. So what we're going to do, guys, is just go ahead and start pulling this thing apart. We'll see you in a little while. Okay, guys, so I just pulled out this board here. I left the light off so you can kind of see some of what it's saying. Anatel, we'll see what it is. It looks like it's the modem, maybe the modem, but there's no plugs there. It's just a copper screw. Huh. County of China. Hey, some other people are starting to sneeze like I've been for the last freaking day and night. Okay, so that's all the boards and the memory. I'm going to get in here a little bit deeper, guys, start pulling stuff out. We'll take a look at it. Okay, guys, look at that massive power supply right here. Look at the size of that fan. It's pretty big. Pretty big fan in there. Compared to this one, it blows it out of the water. Look at this. It's a big fan in there. So I like to keep the control boxes because I can power stuff with them. That's 12 volts. You can look that stuff up online. Just taking this off of here. I never saw this stuff in a computer before, but like, what is this, DVD or something? It's crazy. Oh, I know what this is, guys. That's that big hard drive thing that's missing. Jeez, how long did they, you gotta be kidding me. There we go. So that's what was in there. And that was an external hard drive, I believe.